Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Please excuse the background noise. We're going through a heat wave and I have the doors open. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be trying another heatless curling method. It's been a while since I've done one of these. They used to really be my thing and I still absolutely love overnight heatless curling methods. And I'm honestly surprised that I've never tried this one before in my life because it is a pretty well-known one that is widely used. Headband curls, yeah. Here we are. So obviously it is now the morning after, so before I, undo this and show you the results, let's move to last night when I did my hair up in the headband curling shape method thing. First of all, I brushed through my hair really well, making sure it is completely tangle free, and then I took a setting lotion. I always feel like overnight curls just hold a little bit better when you use some type of setting lotion instead of just plain water. If you don't want to use a setting lotion, you could just use plain water, but I am going to be using my Lotte Body styling lotion today. I'm going to be using this for the first time. I ordered it online. Turns out you totally can buy this in the Netherlands, which is really nice. It says on the bottle you don't need to dilute this, but it also says to apply it on damp hair. And since I usually apply on dry hair, I am going to dilute it anyway. So I used about half and half of the setting lotion and just plain tap water. So I am going to spray my hair with this completely saturated, but I don't want my hair to be like dripping wet. I want it to be kind of dampish. Basically, I just want my hair to be able to dry in the curl shape so that the curls hold really nicely throughout the day. So I make sure to really focus on my ends and then be sure that I spread out the lotion all over my hair really nicely. And then I'm going to take a headband. Now, since my hair is on the thinner and finer side, I decided to take a headband that is a little bit thicker so that my hair has something to wrap around. Usually when my hair has to wrap basically just around itself, it doesn't even come out as curls, but more like crinkles. I guess it just doesn't look nice when your hair is too thin to actually wrap around itself in a nice curl pattern. So I decided to use a thicker headband. To use this, I'm going to start by taking the hair right next to my face and I'm going to start wrapping this around the headband. So I just wrap it once, then I let it go. I take a new section of hair which I wrap again once, and then I go around my entire head like this. So I move from one front to the back, like one side to the back and then the other side to the back, and all the hair that's left in the end, the tail, I just wrap around like the same part. And then I do the exact same thing on the other side. I just take a piece of hair, wrap it around the headband, let it go, take a new piece of hair, wrap it around the headband all the way to the back. And then it should look something like this. So I decided to just go over with an extra spritz of that setting lotion because now my roots are exposed and that is usually the part that is hardest to actually saturate with a little spray bottle. So just giving it a little extra spritz just to be sure. Then off camera I decided to just slide in some bobby pins in some places where I felt like this might start to slip. So that is right here on the inside. I kind of like on the inside of this roll I tried to catch some hair. Oh, you can see one has kind of come undone over here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is right here. And I just slid it kind of in behind and I tried to catch as many of the roll as I could and kind of secure it to the hair in the back like that. So I think I have like 4. I have 2 here and then 2 here on top. And you can see it survived the night pretty well. I am someone who tosses and turns a lot in his sleep, so the fact that it still looks this good is promising. Let's take it out. I am really excited to see how this looks. I am a little bit worried about my ends because I'm not entirely sure I wrapped those well. I also actually had a dream tonight that I woke up several times. That might actually have happened. But I think it was a dream that I woke up and my hair hadn't dried at all. You know it's bad when you start dreaming about your wet set not drying overnight. Anyways, pins are out, so I guess let's take this down. I'm not actually sure what the best way is to go about this. Maybe I shouldn't go from the top. Maybe I should start unraveling it where I actually ended last night. Okay, maybe if your hair tangles easily, this is one to be careful with. That doesn't look too bad if you ask me. That's actually some really nice curls. Especially considering how extremely effortless this was to do. I mean, it took me 7 minutes in total and that was my first ever time trying this and filming it at the same time. So obviously it took a little bit longer than if I were to just do it. So I guess like I could do this in under 5 minutes at night and it actually looks really, really nice. I do think I used too much of that styling lotion. My old styling lotion was alcohol based for some reason, so that's why I decided to buy a new one. And this one is very heavy in oils, and I think it's a bit too much for my hair if I use that much, so I either need to dilute it a bit more or just use a little bit less. All in all, I'm very happy with this result, guys. I feel like my roots are a little bit flat and my hair is a tad frizzy, but I'm not sure that's because of the way I curled it, or if that's still gonna come down, or if it's because of the crazy humidity and heat that we have at the moment. But honestly, this is really good results. I think there is still a little bit more perfecting to do when it comes to this method, and I'm sure I'll be able to figure out how to work around certain things like the frizz and everything. But all in all, I'm very happy with this result. It looks great, in my opinion. Very good for a overnight curling method, and literally one that took 5 minutes to do. So yeah, definitely give this a try, guys, if you're into overnight curls. This was a really quick, short little video, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and maybe you got an idea of something that you could do with your hair with very minimal effort. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me on Patreon or my merch store, there will be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!